Here we are going to see the Article 6, which comes under the Part 2, that is citizenship of our Indian Constitution. Article 6 basically tells about the citizenship, about the person who have been migrated to India from the Pakistan. So the Article 6 defines notwithstanding anything in Article 5, a person who has been migrated to the territory of India from the territory now included in Pakistan shall be deemed to be a citizen of India at the commencement of this constitution if, this is the basic case we have to study, if he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents was born in India as defined in the Government of India Act. This tells that whether that person or his parents or any of his grandparents was born in India, have to be born in India as per the definition given in the Government of India Act 1935. Along with this condition, we have to satisfy either of this condition, right? Is that in the case where such person has so migrated before the 19th day of July, he has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India since the date of his migration. That is, when the person, if he has migrated to India from the state of Pakistan before 19th day of July, whether he is ordinarily residing in the Indian territory or not. First, this is one condition. Another condition is in the case where such person has so migrated on or after the 19th day of July 1948, he has been registered as a citizen of India by an officer appointed in that behalf by the government of the Dominion of India on an application made by him therefore to such officer before the commencement of this constitution in the form and manner prescribed by that government. So this basically tells about that if a person who has been migrated to India after 19th day of July 1948, whether he has been registered as the citizen by the government or by the officer who has been appointed by the government of India or not. Thank you. This is the basic definition of the citizenship which has to be given to the persons migrated from the Pakistan. Thank you.